morning. I'm Miss Laini from Culpeper County Library, and today I want to show you how to make a cloud in a jar. So we just need a few simple things. I've got some ice, I've got a big jar. You can use any see-through jar. I've got the jar lid, and I've got some hairspray, and I've got some quite warm water, not quite boiling, but quite hot. I heated it in the microwave. So a cloud forms when water vapor rises from where it's warm and it hits cold air, and then it sticks to dust particles in the air and forms a cloud. So today, our hairspray is going to be like the dust particles. Okay, I am going to put about a quarter cup of this water into the jar and swish it around just on the bottom sides of the jar. Then I'll pour it out, and then I'm going to put a bunch of ice cubes in the lid and let it sit there for 25 seconds. All right, I think we're ready for our hairspray, and our hairspray will be like our dust particles. And cover it back up with the ice. And let's wait and watch for our cloud to form. And there you can see our cloud coming out of the jar. It's kind of hard to see when it's in the jar. You have to look really closely, but then you can see it coming out of the jar. And so that's your cloud in a jar. Pretty cool. When you try it at home, you can experiment with a bigger jar, a smaller jar, different amounts of hairspray, and that's all today for our steam from Culpeper County Library. Have a great day. See you soon.